This will be an unboxing of the Google Pixel 3 XL. So you can see hashtag teampixel. And I think this is the only phone box that I know of that has a hashtag on it. This one and last year's Pixel. So you can see here's the side profile of the device. Google Pixel 3 XL. I do have the white one here. So let's just go ahead and open this right now. Don't need a knife. Got this tab, so I'm just gonna do it like that, and then do the same thing on this side, and let's just get into it. Nice. Here's the phone, so you can see. So let's just go ahead and undo this plastic right now. Here's the phone itself. Ooh, yeah, this phone is light. Wow, yeah, this phone feels really light in the hand. And threw me off guard a little bit. Green button there, etc. All right, let's turn this on right now. Woo! Johnny 5 in the house, as you can see on top. Put the phone to the side for now. Let's see what else we get in the box. Looks like we have some booklets and SIM ejector tool. So let's check this out. And some books and stuff. Hashtag teampixel. You have the big Google G here. So you can put the sticker on your friend's XS Max or Note 9. Put that to the side. Books here. All right. And in here, I believe are the Pixel Buds. Yep. Pixel Buds, and these are USB-C headphones, as you can see right there. It's cool that Google's including this in the packaging. Very nice of them. Here's your charging cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C. And here you get your headphone adapter, USB Type-C to your 3.5mm jack, and a little adapter here for transferring stuff from another phone. Unfortunately, the Pixel does not have a headphone jack, SMH. And this should be the power brick. Yes, it is. Very nice. Nothing else in the box. Hashtag teampixel again. This is the phone. Start, connect to mobile network. I'm gonna skip that, don't have a SIM here right now. And searching for Wi-Fi. Click this one. Type in my password. Checking for updates. Installing updates. So just let the phone do its thing right now. Yeah, I gotta say, Johnny 5 right here. Yeah, that's a prominent notch, man. I'm not gonna lie. Looks very prominent in pictures. Some people are saying it's not as bad in person, but I don't know, man. I mean, I'm looking at this phone right now. That's pretty big. Not gonna lie. Next, use your old phone. Can't use old phone. Restore data without. Okay, I'm next on this. No cable. What is this? Next. What? Cancel. No cable. Cancel. How do I skip the? I don't want to use an old phone. Can't use old phone. Restore data without old phone. Okay, let's do it this way. I'm gonna skip the Google account for now. Skip. I just want to get into the phone ASAP. Turn that off. Turn that off. Accept. I accept. Pixel imprint. So I'm gonna set up the fingerprint right now just to check out the scanner, see how fast it is. Next. And then pin, I'm just gonna put a bunch of zeros. Next. Confirm. And then here. Touch the sensor right now, we'll see how fast this is. Nice, not too bad. I like how they use a lot of colors on the fingerprint graphic, pretty cool. Next. Review additional apps. Yeah, whatever, just okay on that one. Adding finishing touches. And we are in. Here's the home page. Swipe up to go to your app drawer. And this is the recents right here. Nothing open right now. And you go swipe to the right. And then this is your Google News kind of page. I'm gonna go back. Now, hold on a second. That notch, man. I gotta remedy that problem right now. And then I'm gonna go to System, About the Phone, and then see where's the build number. Build number. I am now a developer. Enter my PIN. Bunch of zeros. I'm gonna go back and then go to developer options. And let's see, where is the notch controls here? Here we go, display cutout. So here are your options. Hide, corner cutout, double cutout, tall cutout. I know some people don't like it this way because they're saying that you lose a little bit of screen. For me, it makes the phone look a little bit more symmetrical. I think I might rock this for now until I think there's an app called Notch or something. Download that, and with that app, you can put your notifications in between the notch. So a little bit more efficient use of space, but for now, I'll just rock it like this. All right, let's check out the digital well-being. Something that comes with the Pixel devices now in beta. So this kind of keep tracks of how you use your phone, etc. Pretty cool feature. I'll dig into that a little bit more as I use this phone. So we have to check out the camera real fast. Launch the camera. Okay, I'm gonna deny this. And let's take a picture of something right now. See, where's the box? Take a picture of this and we'll check out the camera. So let's take a picture of the teampixel box. Take a look at the picture. So let's compare this phone real quick to these other devices. Here it is against the XS Max, quick size comparison. Overall about the same size. And from the side, the screen's against the XS Max with the notch off on the Pixel. Here it is against the Note 9, comparing the screens. From the back, Note 9 a little bit taller, and from the side. And of course, last year's Pixel 2 XL. And then let's compare the screens. Now with the notch off on the Pixel 3 XL, the screen size is about the same size as last year's Pixel 2. I think the Pixel 3 is a little bit wider though. From the side, from the back, still a very similar design from last year's Pixel 2, but this one's all glass and it's a very smooth finish. I can feel the transition a little bit here between the glossy surface of the glass and the matte finish. Right there you can feel a little bit of a transition, but it's very smooth. This feels really good. Up front you have your dual speakers, dual camera setup in the front in that notch. On the bottom of the phone you have your SIM slot here, USB Type-C port. Volume rocker, you have your green power button on the white one. On the back, fingerprint scanner, your single camera in the back, flash, Google branding, and this side of the device is nice and clean. And on top, a mic. This phone is glass front and back with a metal frame around it. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with this phone. Speed tests, camera tests versus last year's Pixel 2, Galaxy Note 9, and of course, the iPhone XS Max. Google Pixel 3 XL. Thanks for watching. Peace out.